Here I've got Maze Comet, and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the settings. Now scroll down, find and select the display. Here you will notice wallpaper, open it. And now select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be the gallery, one from the live wallpapers, or maybe one from the system wallpapers. So I will pick the third option, and now you can select some of the pictures, so let me pick this one and then click on Set Wallpaper. Finally decide if this picture should cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. So let me pick the third version, so both of them. So as you can see from now on, your brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen and also the lock screen. So that's it. Now you can change your wallpaper whenever you want to. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.